Hi and welcome to another Thrive Themes tutorial in which I want to show you how you can create an automation using Thrive Automator alongside ActiveCampaign, with the help of which whenever a user leaves a testimonial on your website, they will get a discount code via email. To achieve this, we're going to create two automations, one in Thrive Automator and one in ActiveCampaign, and then we're going to use a capture testimonials element on one of our pages, with the help of which we're gonna let users leave a testimonial on our site, and so they can get a discount code once they do that. We're gonna start with the automation from Thrive Automator, and for that I'm gonna access Thrive Automator from my Thrive dashboard, and of course I'm gonna click on Add New to create a new automation. You can start by naming it right here, and as I do that I'm gonna have to choose the start trigger. For this automation, we're going to go for the Thrive Ovation trigger category, and the trigger that we're going to choose is the user leaves a testimonial one. And now if you want, you can create a specific condition that will trigger this automation. For example, if you click on this field, you're going to see that you can actually choose between a few different criteria here so that you can decide a very specific moment for this automation to start. For example, you can ensure that this automation starts only for the users that have a specific role on your website. Or you can filter them by their registration dates or by their last login date and so on. We're going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to click on Done here, and I will click on the Add Another Action button right here to continue with the automation. As I said, this is a very simple automation, and the only action that we need to choose here is one from the email category, and this can be either one of these two. I'm going to go for the Add User in Autoresponder option, and if I click on this field, I will open the list with the available autoresponders that I have previously connected from the Thrive dashboard. As I said in the beginning of this tutorial, I'm going to use ActiveCampaign, and once you choose an autoresponder here, you will have to also set it up as you see right here. So you can choose the mailing list in which you're going to add the user once they leave a testimonial, and you can also add tags. I've chosen my mailing list, and I will also add a tag right here. This is because when I'm going to access ActiveCampaign and create the automation there, that automation will start when this tag is added to one of my contacts. So now we're done. We can click on Done right there, and here's what we have so far. Whenever someone will leave a testimonial on my website, they are added to my ActiveCampaign mailing list, which is going to be this one, and also this tag will be added to that contact. We're done in Thrive Automator. I'm simply going to activate this automation and click on Save and Finish. And now we can access the ActiveCampaign account and set up the automation from there. In ActiveCampaign, I'm going to go to the left sidebar and access the Automations tab. And from the top right section, I'm going to click on Create an Automation. I'll choose the Start from Scratch option here. And as a start trigger, I will choose the Tag is Added option. Of course, the tag is going to be 20% discount. And I'm done here. I'm going to click on Add Start. And the only action that needs to be set up in this automation is going to be the Send an Email action. And now you can go ahead and create the email that you want to be sent to the users. And this is going to be the email with the discount code. Alright, when you've customized your email, you can click on Save. And as simple as that, the automation from ActiveCampaign is ready. All there's left to do is hit Active here as well, so that we make sure that both of our automations are set to active. I also went ahead and named this one as well. And now what I'm gonna do is access one of the pages from my website to add a capture testimonials element there, and then we can test everything out. So I'm back on my website, and I'm gonna access my pages section, and I'm going to open one of my pages in the Thrive Architect editor. Alright, and I'm going to add a capture testimonials element, which is going to be this one, simply by dragging and dropping it just like this. And then you can select one of our pre-designed templates. Alright, I've just added the element, and then you can customize it using the left sidebar options if you want, but I'm gonna leave it as it is, and I'm gonna save the page. And now with the two automations combined, the end result will be that whenever someone leaves a testimonial on our website, they will get a discount code via email. I'm going to open this page in an incognito window and use a temporary email address to test everything out. Okay, so here's our captured testimonials element. Let's fill in the form and let's go ahead and submit the form. Here is the inbox for this email address, and we're gonna just wait a few seconds. All right, so as you can see, we have received the email. If we open it, this is the email that we've set up using ActiveCampaign. And this is just one of the ways in which you can use the user leaves testimonial start trigger from Thrive Automator. I really hope this was useful, and as always, make sure to check out the knowledge base for more examples of Thrive Automator automations.